What if the world you knew disappeared? And you were forced to reclaim a forgotten knowledge? What you're about to witness is not just survival. It's the astonishing blueprint for building a new world from scratch. Stay with us, because the secrets unveiled here could redefine everything. It begins with a single, determined purpose: to carve out a sanctuary in the heart of the wild. The forest provides the tools, the materials, the challenge. Each piece is carefully chosen, measured by instinct. This is the rhythm of resilience, the patient work of creation. A structure rises, not of nails and steel, but of wood and wood. The first walls of a new life take shape. But this journey is not meant to be taken alone. Another soul emerges from the wilderness, drawn by the same silent call to begin anew. Together, they share the burden and the vision. Their combined strength transforms the shelter into a home. A refuge woven from the fabric of the forest. As dusk settles, the fire becomes the heart of their world. A symbol of warmth, safety, and shared triumph. Here, in the flickering light, a new community is born. Their first chapter closes in the tranquil dark of the woods. But a greater ambition is taking root. To build more than a shelter on the ground. They look to the canopy, to create a fortress in the trees. A more permanent sanctuary, suspended between earth and sky. The work is more demanding, the challenge greater. But their resolve has been forged in the wild. With practiced hands, they shape the foundation of their new home. Every beam lifted, every branch secured, is a defiant act of self-reliance. Slowly, their astonishing vision begins to take form. A hidden retreat, camouflaged by the very trees that support it. This is where raw nature meets human ingenuity. The structure grows, piece by painstaking piece. A testament to patience and ancient engineering. Soon, it will be ready to provide shelter and sustenance. The fire is lit once more, a signal of progress. A warm meal awaits the tireless builder. A moment of peace before the final push. The surrounding wilderness is both a resource and a reminder. A reminder of what was lost and what can be rebuilt. As the sun sets, he prepares for the coming night. A quiet moment of reflection under the vast, silent sky. With the dawn comes a new phase of construction. The men reunite, their focus on perfecting their creation. They work in harmony, a silent understanding between them. The structure is no longer just a frame, but a breathing space. They reinforce the walls, weaving a protective shell. Each movement is precise, efficient, born of necessity. They are not just building a shelter, they are building a legacy. A testament to what can be achieved with bare hands. Now, they turn their attention to the forest floor, gathering nature's blanket to provide warmth and comfort. The forest floor offers up its bounty. Every fallen leaf is a piece of insulation. Every dry branch is a source of fuel. They are harvesting the essence of the woods. Inside their creation, the final touches are made. The interior is fortified, secured against the elements. The details matter here, more than anywhere else. A collaborative effort to ensure their fortress is impenetrable. And at last, their masterpiece is complete. A transformative structure, born of the forest itself. It stands as a symbol of their unyielding spirit. Inside, the work continues. Perfecting the space that will shield them from the world. While one secures the structure, another gathers essential supplies. The finished treehouse is a marvel of natural architecture, perfectly integrated into its environment, almost invisible. The search for resources is a constant, vital task. They must learn to read the landscape, to find what they need. Every part of this new life is built by hand. From the shelter above to the bed below. Patience and precision are the cornerstones of their existence. Each action is deliberate, purposeful. The raw power of their tools echoes through the quiet woods. The time has come to ascend to their treetop home. Climbing towards the safety they have painstakingly built. Their world is now elevated, secure. Night falls and the forest transforms. Inside the shelter, a hidden world of quiet solitude. This is the ultimate reward for their labor. A space of warmth and profound peace. A deep, well-earned rest away from all that was. Morning reveals the fruits of their labor. To survivors, resting in the sanctuary they created. The treehouse stands as a monument to their will. A seamless blend of human craft and natural form. Its thatched roof, a testament to ancient techniques. From every angle, it is a part of the forest. The final details are added with an artist's touch. Securing the walls, ensuring their fortress is complete. Layer by layer, the structure is perfected. The work is done, the shelter is ready. A final descent from the world they built in the sky. It stands finished, a beacon of hope in the wilderness. This is more than a home, it is a declaration of independence. a return to a life of meaning and purpose. The walls are now set, a barrier against the past. Weaving together the final elements of their defense. The structure is now whole, solid, and secure. A final look at the intricate, interlocking design. Now, for the comforts of this new life. The gentle steam signals a moment of peace. A simple pleasure in a life rebuilt from the ground up. The process of creation is a constant cycle. The structure's walls are meticulously woven. A wider view reveals the scale of their accomplishment. Another craftsman joins, bringing new skills. The focus is on strength and durability. The work is intricate, requiring immense focus. Now, the final, crucial layer, the roof. Thatching with natural materials for a waterproof seal. The builder steps back to admire the near-finished home. A close-up reveals the beautiful, rustic texture. He prepares more materials, always thinking ahead. The completed roof is a masterpiece of survivalist architecture. One final climb to secure the last few pieces. The final touches are applied with care. Every detail is considered, every gap filled. He ensures the shelter is perfect. The satisfaction of a job well done. The completed home stands proud among the trees. A harmonious blend of human effort and wild beauty. The final shot, a lasting image of tranquility and resilience. The meticulous work continues into the golden hour. From within, the misty forest appears serene, almost magical. The camp is now a fully functional homestead. Nature's own lens offers a unique perspective. The walls are woven tight, a sturdy shield. Each branch placed with intention and care. A moment of rest, gazing out at the world he has built. His creation is a testament to the power of a singular vision. From a distance, it becomes part of the landscape. A hidden gem in the vast expanse of green. It is a world unto itself. As the light fades, the shelter's form deepens. A silent guardian in the encroaching twilight. The forest begins to whisper its nightly secrets. The colors of the day surrender to the shadows. It stands resilient against the coming dark. A steady, quiet presence in the fading light. The details of the ground below blur into darkness. The final moments of daylight are savored. In the deep twilight, he looks upon his work with pride. The ascent to the treetop sanctuary marks the end of the day. The forest floor provides endless resources. The rhythmic sound of the saw is a song of creation. The rising smoke signals life and warmth within. The forest in its raw, untouched state. The fire blazes, a powerful force against the cold. The completed shelter, now a warm and inviting home. The promise of a warm drink after a hard day's work. The kettle sings, a comforting sound in the quiet wild. A roof built to withstand the seasons. A final look at the accomplishment. A window to a world remade. The view from inside, safe and secure. Darkness envelops the small, warm space. The fire's glow provides the only light. At night, the treehouse is a lone star in a sea of darkness. A solitary beacon of human ingenuity. Here, in the wild, a new story has been written. A very special thank you to the owner of the Camp Kolik for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.